Did you know there are more than 24,000 public schools in South Africa, but fewer than 8,000 have flushing toilets? This results in missed lessons and lower grades. That's why Unilever's Domestos brand is working in partnership with the World Toilet Organization to refurbish facilities at schools in South Africa. Domestos initiated the Cleaner Toilets, Brighter Future campaign and on International Nelson Mandela Day headed up a major cleanup at the Waterloo School in Durban. As Expresso celebrates Madiba Monday, we're reminded of Tata's words, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." Unilever is proud to contribute to changing Mzansi and the world.
Learning is something that all children should throw themselves at wholeheartedly. However, with 1 in 3 people lacking access to clean and safe toilets, it's not surprising that children are staying away from school because of illness and poor hygiene. Well, Domestos is stepping in to help, and today we're at the Jan Kotolo Primary School in Mamelodi, where the refurbishment of their toilets is about to begin.
For the past 4 years, Domestos has been involved in toilet refurbishment programs in schools around the country and promoting hygiene education through the Cleaner Toilets, Brighter Future campaign.
Principal Sibanyoni, how old is your school now, and can you give us a brief history of it?
The school is 10 years old this year. We started in 2004 in January. We moved from Nelmapias Primary School into these premises because of the large numbers of parents who are moving into the area.
And with that in mind, what challenges are you seeing in terms of hygiene and maintenance, and how's that affecting your school children and their health?
We have, for instance, most of the doors in the toilets have been broken. Those have not been fixed. The ceilings, fortunately, we haven't had major challenges with the ceilings, but the large numbers lead to a lot of blockages from time to time.
In some communities, the parents and teachers aren't able to fund or provide upkeep of the toilet facilities, and they fall into disrepair. And so sometimes it takes a visitor to reach out and make a difference.
Last year on Nelson Mandela Day, Barney Simon was broadcasting from Heartbeat, and he had to use the facilities, and he walked into Jan Kotolo Primary School's facilities to see an absolute horror of what's going on in their bathrooms. So he thought it a good thing to contact the people at Domestos. They already had a refurbishment project on the go, and we're very happy to say that they came on board, and we can hopefully then give these kids the bathrooms that they so desperately need and deserve.
The children are excited. We have had them entering competitions, and one of their needs was to have the toilets refurbished. So with this coming in, I think, and I know that they will be very welcomed.
More than 2,000 children are affected by poor hygiene every day, and school bathrooms are definitely a high risk for infection. Thanks to Domestos, these children will have a safe and clean environment.
Well, so Cynthia, those toilets are definitely in desperate need of a makeover. How many years has Domestos been refurbishing toilets now, and how many lives have you touched?
So Domestos has been doing the schools project since 2010, and we have been going strong since then. We've actually, excluding this school, we have refurbished 20 schools, and we've impacted lives of over 20,000 kids. It is a project that is very close to our hearts because it is changing lives of the children.
And why is hygiene so important in a school environment, and how does it translate back into the community?
When they've got the environment that is hygienic, they've got clean bathrooms and clean toilets, they feel comfortable going to the bathrooms, especially for the girls. When it's that time of the month, a lot of girls would rather stay at home because they're uncomfortable if the toilets are not hygienic. So it helps that, and it connected to that, it actually helps with absenteeism. And with that, I mean, when all the kids come to school and the absenteeism is down, it helps the community because more kids come to school and they reach their potential and therefore help their community.
In addition to refurbishing the toilets, Domestos also provides ongoing maintenance. This ensures the toilets remain hygienically clean and continue to make school a healthy environment for these young children.
It is early days, but as refurbishments continue, these children can look forward to learning in a more dignified and happy environment. And in turn, this community can really anticipate a brighter future.
Domestos kills germs dead.